Ever wondered how to plant corn in your own garden? Well, you're in luck. Today, we're embarking on a delightful journey into the world of corn planting. This isn't just about growing corn, it's about cultivating a sense of accomplishment and joy right in your backyard. We'll cover everything from choosing the right corn variety to nurturing your plants. And the best part? It's as simple as pie, even a child can do it. So, grab your gardening gloves, because we're about to dive into the world of corn planting. The first step is choosing the right corn variety for your garden. Corn comes in a rainbow of colors and flavors. Sweet corn, with its juicy kernels, is perfect for summer barbecues. Popcorn, believe it or not, grows in your garden, not your microwave. And then there's flint corn, hardy and versatile, often ground into cornmeal. For beginners, we recommend starting with sweet corn. It's easy to grow and oh so satisfying to eat right off the cob. Remember, the type of corn you choose will dictate the care it needs and the harvest you can expect. Next, we're going to get our hands dirty and prepare the soil. Picture this. The perfect soil for corn is well drained with a slightly acidic pH. Now, to enrich our soil, we're going to add a generous helping of compost or balanced fertilizer. Think of it as a buffet for your corn plants. After all, who doesn't love a good meal? Mix it in well, and there you have it. With the soil ready, you're one step closer to enjoying fresh corn straight from your garden. Now, it's time for the fun part, planting the corn. Imagine yourself as a mighty farmer, ready to sow the seeds of your future harvest. First, let's talk about depth. You'll want to plant your corn seeds about 1.5 to 2 inches deep. That's about as long as your thumb, from the tip to the first knuckle. Easy to remember, right? Now, on to spacing. Each of your corn seeds should be about a foot apart from the next. Think of it like social distancing for your corn seeds. They need their personal space to grow up big and strong. Once you've got your seeds in their cozy little soil beds, cover them up gently with soil. Think of it like tucking them in for a long nap. And voila, you've just planted your corn. Pat yourself on the back, you green-thumbed maestro. And there you have it. Your corn seeds are planted and ready to grow. But wait, we're not done yet. Let's talk about how to care for your corn plants. First things first, keep the soil moist but not waterlogged. Corn loves water, but too much can cause root rot. Now, on to weeding. Regularly remove any pesky weeds. They're like uninvited guests, stealing nutrients from your corn. And lastly, protect your corn from pests and diseases. A good organic pesticide should do the trick. With these tips, you're well on your way to a bountiful corn harvest. Don't forget to use your green thumb and press the like button, and please subscribe for more gardening tips.